Hello and welcome to this first of two Argos Multilingual webcasts about e-labelling for medical device manufacturers. This webcast offers guidance to medical device manufacturers following the European Commission regulation of 9th March 2012 on electronic instructions for use of medical devices. In this session we'll begin by looking at some of the reasons medical device manufacturers should consider e-labelling, what the new regulation is offering, and we'll summarise which devices are suitable. So you may be wondering what's wrong with paper. Well, let's take a look. I'm sure you'll have thought about the direct costs involved with printing and shipping IFUs, but we need to look deeper and consider the indirect costs too. Each IFU revision means obsolete inventory. Increased packaging bulk is needed to fit multilingual IFUs. Time to market is impacted because publishing runs take time. Altering, publishing, distributing printed IFU materials can be cripplingly slow. Additionally, there's the environmental costs to consider. An implantable pacemaker's IFU might contain 350 pages. The American Heart Association says that 600,000 people have those pacemakers fitted annually. This equates to 210 million published pages. According to conservation group estimates, that would mean more than 25,000 trees, more than 1,000 tons of paper. Finally, there's an important safety consideration. Large, multi-language booklets are difficult to read and are often in a small font. People are less inclined to read large booklets in a small font, possibly leading to clinical mistakes. And what's new? While a small amount of electronic publishing for active implant and in vitro device labelling has been possible since 2007's Medical Device Directives, the European Commission Regulation 207/2012 on electronic instructions for use of medical devices broadens the range of products where this is possible. The regulation explains the responsibilities and considerations for the manufacturer when choosing to adopt e-labelling. Which devices are suitable? Article 3 of the regulation outlines 5 device types where e-labelling can be chosen. Active implantable medical devices and their accessories covered by the 1990s Active Implantable Device Directive, for example implantable pacemakers and their accessories such as leads, electrodes or adapters. Implantable medical devices covered by the 1993 Medical Device Directive such as heart valves or hip prostheses. Fixed installed medical devices are covered by the Medical Device Directive such as CT scanners. Medical devices which are fitted with a system for visual display of IFUs which might be covered by either directive, for example some patient monitoring systems. And standalone software which is covered by the 1993 directive. One important note, e-labelling can only be chosen for documents intended for use by healthcare professionals. E-labelling is therefore not an option where the intended readership is the consumer. Thank you for watching our webcast. For more information on how we can help your business to grow, visit us at www.argosmultilingual.com.